In this lesson, you will learn letter group 4. Click the letters that have the sound I say. T, t. Nice! You did it! W, w. Correct. Nice. X, x. Nicely done. That's right. Yeah, yeah. You've got it. Nice job. Great. You did it. V, v. Great. You've got it. Now click the correct case of the letter I say. Lowercase w. Lowercase w. You've got it. Uppercase W. Uppercase W. Great! Lowercase t. Lowercase t. Well done. Lowercase u. Lowercase u. Well done. Lowercase y. Lowercase y. You did it! Uppercase x. Uppercase x. Nice work. Uppercase u. Uppercase u. That's right. Lowercase v. Lowercase v. Good. Lowercase x. Lowercase x. Well done. Uppercase y. Uppercase y. Nicely done. Uppercase t. Uppercase t. Nice work. Uppercase v. Uppercase v. Good. Click the slide I say. Va, va. Sorry, but this is correct. Wah, wah. Very good. Va, va. Sorry, but this one's right. Wa, wa. Nice. T, t. You've got it. Te, te. Great job. Ya, ya. Great job. Yeah, yeah. That's right.
Select 3 activities for additional practice. Think about the level of challenge that is best for you. Choose this activity to practice matching sounds to letter group 4 words. Tax. Great job. Vet. Nicely done. Web. Correct. Fox. You got it. Yam. Right. Match the spoken form on the left with the spelling on the right. Click on the spoken form and then click on the spelling to draw a line between them. Box. Box. You got it. Yes. That's correct. Van. Good job. Wet. Great job. Tug. Great. Choose this activity to practice finding letter group 4 slides within a group of letters. You will see a group of letters. Within the group of letters is a slide that uses sounds from letter group 4. Move the bar to find the slide. Click the Next button when you are finished. Find the slide. Ve. Find the slide. Ve. Great job! Now read the slide. ve. Find the slide. Ja. Have another try. You got it. Now read the slide. Ja. Find the slide. Te. You did it. Now read the slide. Te. Find the slide. W. Well done. Now read the slide. W. Find the slide. Yo. Right. Now read the slide. Yo. Find the slide. Whack. Nice job. Now read the slide. Whack. Find the slide. V. No, try that one again. Great job. Now read the slide. V. Find the slide. T. That's right. Now read the slide. T. Choose this activity to practice sorting letters from letter group 4. Click on each button to hear the sound, and then put the letter in the space next to its sound. T. Good. V. W. Great job. Correct. X. Correct. Y. Y. Nicely done. Well done. Good. Good job. Nicely done. Great job. That's correct. Right.
You have completed all the required activities. Great work! You completed this lesson. You are ready to complete the required vocabulary for this lesson. Then you can move on.